Hello there, we just got done watching the Hudsucker Proxy, a comedy from 1994. It is a 1 hour and 50-minute PG rated film. It's a scheming executive promotes a naive mailroom clerk to president of his company in an effort to drive down stock prices and to take over the business. It stars Tim Robbins and Jennifer Jason Leigh. Paul Newman is also in this. We watched it on Netflix, but I'll go ahead and link it below. I really didn't see this really as a comedy. I saw this as a soft romantic drama.
Yeah.
I didn't find it to be very funny at all. I mean, I thought it was an okay movie. It was interesting, and the casting was great, the performances were great, and story was just kind of it was okay. I don't know, it just feels like I've seen similar stories to this one in other movies, but it's fun seeing how young everybody looked in 1994.
Yeah, it looked good.
So if you have seen the Hudsucker Proxy, let me know what you think of this movie. If you're someone who enjoyed it, or I would give this a 3 out of 5 stars for me. What about you, Lisa?
2.5.
2.5 for you, yeah. It's not what I'd watch again, but if you're looking for a romantic, mild drama, then yeah, check it out. It may be right up your alley, but I don't know. Most movies that are about like businesses and stuff, a lot of times don't really call to me too much. So maybe that's what it was about it that just wasn't for me. But yeah, if you've seen it, let me know what you thought of it. And if you haven't seen it, do you typically enjoy movies that are about business and businesses? Let me know down below if you have a preference about that. And I'll see you in the next review.